this video, I shall show you how to quickly transfer data from iPhone to Android and vice versa. First step here is to make sure that both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once it's done, open Safari on iPhone and Google Chrome on Android. Open the website snapdrop.net on both the phones. You can now find the respective devices available to each other in their disguised names. To transfer from iOS to Android, click on the icon and choose the file that you want to transfer. You can also choose to transfer any photos or videos in a similar way. I shall now look up for the file that I received.